In the cozy room adorned with posters of video games, movies, and space, three avid friends gathered for an afternoon of intellectual exploration and imaginative discourse. Aiden, a charismatic host with a penchant for technology, began with a spirited, "Hey, Brainy Kids! Welcome back to another exciting episode." Joined by Bella, a creative visionary with a passion for fantasy, and Chris, a curious enthusiast with a taste for suspense, the trio delved into the transformative role of artificial intelligence in the gaming industry. Aiden set the stage. Today, we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence and how it's changing the game industry. Ready, Bella and Chris? With palpable excitement, Bella, known for her vivid imagination, responded eagerly, "Absolutely. I've been dying to share my ideas on using AI to create some amazing games." Chris, equally enthused, chimed in, "You bet. I've got some cool concepts that I think will blow everyone's minds. Let's get started." Their discussion veered towards AI's innovative applications in game development. Aiden highlighted the dynamic nature of AI. So, we've all seen how AI is being used in games, right? From NPCs that learn and adapt to personalized gaming experiences. But what do you guys think are the best AI tools out there? Bella, ever insightful, mentioned Unity's AI and ML Agents toolkit as an exemplar of impressive capabilities. This toolkit, she explained, empowers developers to craft smarter NPCs, learning from player interactions via reinforcement learning. Chris brought attention to Unreal Engine's AI system, commending its robust set of tools designed for intricate character behavior. The behavior tree system, he noted, allows developers to create hierarchical logic for NPCs, making their actions more realistic and responsive. Aiden added the marvel of OpenAI's GPT-3, which generates dialogues and storylines, immersing players in uniquely dynamic narratives. Conversations shifted to educational games, and Bella shared her recent experience with Minecraft Education Edition. She admired how it seamlessly merged fun with learning, allowing exploration of diverse subjects like chemistry and history. Chris's eyes lit up as he pitched in about Kerbal Space Program, a game that marries entertainment with space exploration education through its intricate physics engine.